Good morning. This is the morning routine. I'm talking really low. My throat is actually hurting, but still, yes. I'm making up some homemade chocolate chip pancakes. Hello, Manny. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What you doing? What you doing? Watching a movie? What you in there watching? What you in there watching?
Movie.
Princess in the Fog?
Fog.
Okay, go finish watching the movie. I just did her hair yesterday. Pretty. Okay, go finish watching the movie. I'm gonna make your pancakes.
You getting my pancakes?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna finish making up some pancakes. What am I eating? I don't know. I'm about to take this bra off. It's like tight. Okay. I'm gonna finish making the pancakes and then I'll be back later. I put some chocolate chips in there. Did I say chocolate chip pancakes? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you in a second. Hey, Pudge. Hello, Pudgy. Pudgy. Okay, see you in a second. Yes, my bonnet's still on. Air, water. Drink it for food. The cat is a mess. Alright, I'm on these pancakes. Pancakes. I'm gonna put that plate together. And Minnie got her breakfast. Got some cereal and some chocolate pancakes. It was cool. She's still sleeping, so I'm just gonna let it sit there. Probably put a paper towel on it. Who's always next to it? Who always trying to eat their food? Is it yummy?
Yeah,
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Pudgy, go sit down.
Go to down.
Alrighty, that's the children breakfast. Now I'm working on mine. They did have three extra when I already ate one. They had 2 extras, so I'm just gonna be part of my breakfast. I'm gonna make some eggs. I was gonna make some kibasi, but I'm not really I don't feel like eating right now. I'm trying to force myself to eat, because if I don't, I'm not gonna eat all day. So now I need to make some eggs to go with those pancakes. So I'll see you in a second. Hello, you're in the bathroom with me while I'm moving stuff. I chose to come do my skincare in my hair in the bathroom to have a different spot. Let me see if I can put that on it. But what I'm going to be doing is using this for my face just to get rid of it. And then this for the moisturizer. That's literally all I do. And just literally have a little scrubber on it. So literally, I just scrub my face. You pump it, scrub it, wash it off, then moisturize. That's that. And what I'm doing with my hair, I'm just gonna keep it like this in a slick back, but with some gel. I do not like this gel really. I like the extreme, but this is my mom's and I don't have anymore, so I gotta use it. It does the job for when I want to slick back, but I don't really recommend that gel. I don't really like it. It's like so hard and yeah. Brush, another brush, just to like lay it down. And an edge brush. I need to clean that edge brush. It's a little, yeah, it's nasty. But I cleaned one. I don't know where it went. So let's start my face. After I change this. Okay, you're a little closer and higher. So let's start with my face. I'm not gonna be talking. Just gonna put some music over there. My face, and I'm gonna do my hair. That's it. See you once I'm talking again. Add a little water. See the line of my bonnet. You wear that bonnet too long. I was posting a ton on TikTok. Go over there and see those videos. I've been posting mostly over there. Then on here, just trying to grow my TikTok. Trying to go everywhere, but let's try out TikTok. Okay, moisturizer. I already brushed my teeth, if you were wondering. I like mixing this moisturizer with water. It makes it stay longer for me. Clean. Now let's start the hair. That's might be that line is still there. Like the little humpy hump. What are you doing? That's gonna be that. I'm not doing nothing else to the tape. Okay. See you later. I'm about to get ready.
Get ready.
This is what she want to wear. She want to wear pink, pink, and what? I say pink socks.
White.
Black socks.
Black socks.
Okay. Snap
For over
clean.
50 years,
Ready?
Arena Cat Chow has been helping cats feel at home with
Already. A pink. With your little beads. Okay, you about to fall off the bed, and I'm gonna let you. What is this barrette doing in your hair? You should put barrette in your hair.
Whatever hell.
Look how pretty. Put your head down, head down, head down. There you go. Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm Audress.
For this.
Oh, thank you. Okay. What you doing? What you doing? Sitting. What's this color?
Pink.
Pink. What's this color?
Pink.
Pink. What's this color?
Brown.
Black.
Black.
You almost had it. Black. Yay. Good job.
Black.
You got snotty nose. She still got snotty nose and a cough.
Oh, it's mochi. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. And it was a race ready to get late, so I'm like, okay, let's just walk. The kids seem like they're in a good mood. And there was this little capsule store, which, by the way, this was the first time I've ever seen something like that. We just ended up walking home, and it seemed a lot
Flowers.
chill. But it was the perfect evening. And then by the time we got home, they were so tired. And then they just went down to bed. So, how was your shower or your bath? Okay. There's no reflection here. And then tomorrow we're gonna hit up Koreatown. Oh, by the way, that Indian restaurant.
Alrighty. I'm all done. Hair done. I just got dressed. Got the baby dress. You've seen it. Menace is dressed now. And Ava's downstairs still eating her breakfast because she woke up late. And this is what I'm wearing. Some leggings. Some socks. And really this. I might just put my robe on over this because I don't like my arms all out. All this is out and I don't have my necklace. I can't find it. I don't know where the heck it went. But yeah. Alrighty. That's the end of this video. This morning routine, it was very simple. Literally, this is how it is every single day. Breakfast, clean, face, brush teeth, wash up, all that, and then get ready. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I don't think I ever did that. Subscribe, you really can't push that button down below. Yeah, see you in the next video. I got an egg here. I have hairs there. You just can't see it because of forehead, but it's there. Yeah. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. I promise it's gonna be the car tour.